and David's burger. Homemade burger. It has mayo, ketchup. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
For David. Eat na, David.
Eat. Enjoy burger.
Have a great day. Let's do this. Okay, it's done. There. Let's put this in the dream haven. Okay, let's go. I need a small holder for this. These are the other ones. I removed the other one too. See, babe? It's like we will put it here. But I need a holder. But it's okay. Let's just put it here first. These are the other ones. Hannah. Hi. Hi, Hannah. Look at your illumination. How's school? How's school?
Good.
Is it cute here, Hannah? Hannah went here earlier, babe. There's no bread today.
Wow.
I'm going to make chili garlic next time. And this is our project. Babe, I was able to make a small holder. And babe, one sample, handmade. Am I going to put it here? Or do you think I'll put it on top of that? Diyan na lang, para makita. More. Okay, let's fix more, babe. And again, I'm so happy, David. Look! Be, oh, look, oh. It's second. This one is much better, but I like both of them. Let's make colorful ones. We love you. Take care every day. To sell this, babe, but there are times that there's no people that's buying, but it's okay because it won't be broken, diba? It's just there. Second one, babe. Let's look at the first one that we made. Let's go. David is watching. It is still so good. Let's look. This is the one. I'm going to make this as a library. Take what you need and bring what you can. This is the one. Second one. Oh my god. Where's the first one that I made? Let's look at it. Oh my god. Was it sold? Bakit wala na yung first kong ninenok ba yun, be? Uy, wala na yung first kong nilagay. Video lang ang meron. Be, nasa na? Imposibleng crow ang kumuha nun.